Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about cloud and pour point apparatus, which is used to determine the cloud point and pour point of a lubricant. Now let us find out what is cloud point and pour point means. When oil is cooled slowly, that is when the temperature of the oil is decreased slowly, then there comes a temperature where it gives a cloudy or hazy appearance. The temperature at which it gives a cloudy or hazy appearance is nothing but called as cloud point. The temperature, further we lower the temperature, and the temperature at which the oil ceases to flow is nothing but the pour point. So we are cooling in this case, we are cooling the oil in this case, and there reaches a temperature where the oil gives cloudy or hazy appearance. We call it as cloud point. And the highest temperature at which the oil ceases to flow for 5 seconds is nothing but called as the pour point. The cloud point and pour point indicates the suitability of the lubricants under the cold conditions. The lubricant should have a lower cloud point and pour point at the operating conditions. Or we can say that the operating temperature should be always higher as compared with that of the cloud point and pour point. As the temperature is lowered, the wax crystal separates out and may clog the filter screens in the fuel system, fuel intake system. The high pour point may jam the machines. This is a apparatus, cloud and pour point apparatus. It will have various parts, like we have a flat bottom test tube, we have air jacket here, we have cooling mixture here. Okay, let us understand one by one. The working of the system will be as follows. Like, it has a flat bottom test tube of 3 centimeter diameter and 12 centimeter height. This will be kept in an air jacket which is cooled with the help of a cooling mixture. Cooling mixture is nothing but ice plus some salt put into that depending upon how much lower temperature we need to attain. Generally in the laboratory we use sodium chloride, ice plus sodium chloride, or else sometimes we use ice plus calcium chloride also. So the tube is half filled with oil. With the help of thermometer, the temperature will be noted, and every fall in temperature, this tube will be withdrawn for a moment and we will find out whether there is cloudiness or not. The temperature at which it gives the cloudiness, it start giving the cloudiness. The highest temperature at which it gives the cloudiness or haziness is nothing but the cloud point. We still continue the process of cooling, and the procedure will be repeated. That is, we will take out this test tube and we will see whether this is the flow of the oil has been stopped or not. That is, we will tilt the test tube in this position as shown in the figure, and we will see the temperature at which the oil does not flow for 5 seconds when it is kept horizontal. Okay, that temperature is nothing but the pour point. So the temperature at which it gives a cloudy appearance, the highest temperature at which it gives a cloudy appearance when it is cooled, that is nothing but cloud point. And the temperature at which it gives, it will not flow for 5 seconds is nothing but when it is kept filtered, then that is called as the pour point of the lubricating oil. So this is the apparatus. Here we have, at this part the cooling mixture will be filled. Okay, here we have openings in which we will be keeping the test tube. This test tube will be kept in the air jacket present in this, and this oil will be there is a mark here. Up till this mark we will be filling the oil into that, and this will be put closed with the help of this fork. This fork will have a thermometer fit into that. That will be kept in this air jacket, and this will be kept in the cooling mixture, and we will be lowering the temperature, and every degree centigrade fall in temperature we'll take out the test tube and we'll see whether cloudiness or haziness appearance is there or not. If there is a cloudiness or haziness, the temperature will be marked, and that temperature is cloud point. Still we continue the cooling for more temperature, lower temperatures. So the temperature at which the oil stops flowing for 5 seconds is nothing but the pour point. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.